from Melbourne, Australia.
Beautiful weather, space is good. Lots of super box tents, which is always nice.
Italy?
We're both from Italy.
Yeah, Italy.
I think that Optimus Primavera Sound was like better just because of the park, the ocean you have here, and of course the band.
From Sweden, Gothenburg in Sweden.
Venho de Viena, de Ponta de Lima. O espaço é fantástico, não é lógico, não é? É o norte do país, o norte está verdinho este ano, está excelente.
Come from London, in the UK.
Não.
Yeah, from Germany, the three of us, we are from Berlin and he's from southern Germany. We're happy to be here.
Je suis venu pour My Bloody Valentine et je viens de Paris. Je m'appelle Julien.
I came for My Bloody Valentine too, and I'm from Dijon.
I'm from Lyon. I came from Girenta.
Eu sou daqui do lado, mas eu moro em Londres. Bem, o que me motivou para vir aqui foi Breeders.
From South Korea. It's really nice compared to Korea festivals. It is like big and it's well organized. I come here with my friend, but I lost him. I need to call him now.
Venimos de Galicia, de Maroxo,
Arzúa,
de Arzúa,
provincia de La Coruña.
Coruña.
Y Preguntoño.
Sí.
Por los planetas.
Blur. Por emborracharnos simplemente.
I'm from Belarus. I just can say that it's everything here is really fun. All the people are very positive, very relaxed, and so it's really good place and really good atmosphere on this festival. So once again, thank you everybody.